called a crow or Charcot Relief Orthotic Walker. A lot of times people refer to it as a crow or a crow walker. This is used for people that usually have Charcot deformity in the bottom of their foot. We're going to show you how to put this on and off. This is a custom-made device. It's made to each individual's leg. The idea is to really take pressure off that Charcot deformity in the bottom of their foot, get it to heal, and we use this in the interim until it goes through that process. And then the idea would be for them to step down, hopefully, into an AFO or a different type of brace. Some people have to wear it indefinitely. It just depends, it's a case-by-case basis. How this works, it's got a walking bottom on the bottom, so you don't wear this with a shoe. Again, these are all custom-made to each person. This comes apart in 2 stages. First, slide your foot down inside of the brace here. Take the front cover, and that overlaps or goes over the front, like so. And there's straps here that feed through these chafes. Go up. They Velcro on over the person's foot, like so. Then obviously they can stand and they can walk with this. It's kind of similar to a walking boot or cam boot, but this is custom made. Again, we have total contact through the whole thing, except for down in the bottom where they have Charcot deformity. As far as taking this off, just unvelcro the straps. So I always tell patients velcro them back onto themselves. They don't get dirty. Take off the front shell, slide your foot out. The other thing, a lot of these have custom inserts that can come in and out. So if for some reason this gets loose, don't be alarmed. That just comes with the boot that we actually modify and adjust. That's how you take on and off your crow boot.